In this video, we're looking at using coordinates. So most maps use some sort of a grid system of two coordinates, a vertical value and a horizontal value. These coordinates are helpful in finding a specific location on the map. Sometimes, once you get later into more coordinate geometry, you'll find out that you have grid systems where it's one number on the vertical and one number on the horizontal. But for this example, we're going to be using a map that uses a letter and a number for its coordinates. So most of these type of questions will be around finding a certain building, finding some sort of land feature, and then you need to tell us or tell the marker that coordinate for that object. So, for example, in our map here of this town, one of the questions could be, I want you to locate the lake. Tell me the coordinates for the lake. So, straight off the bat, we see the lake. It's labeled for us. So, right here, there's our lake. So, what we would need to do is read our coordinates. And what you want to do is you want to read your horizontal first. Now, horizontal is this way. Alright? And then our vertical would be this way. So we want to read our horizontal first. And for that example, our horizontal letter in this case, so if I write lake up here, is D, and then we read across, and it's 3. So we started by reading down here to get our D, and then we read across here to get the next one, and the next one's 3. So the lake is located at D3. Another example would be, well, I want you to locate where house 3 is. You're going to a party at house 3, so where's house 3? So house 3, that would be up here. I'll do it in a different color in this grid. So house 3 is in E5. Alright? So it's all about reading your horizontal first. In our case, these were our letters down here. Let me change color to make it stand out a bit more. Our horizontal here, reading that number for that letter first, and then pairing it with a vertical value. Alright, so you pair them together. You always have two coordinates. Once you've located it, you can write it down. And we'll do one more example. Let's say we're trying to find the office. Alright, so the office is over here, so I'm going to draw a box around that coordinate. So even though it looks like it's quite down there low, it doesn't matter. It's still in what we would say is B2. So the office is in B2.